Good day everyone. So today you will going to learn about Java Constructor. So first, let us define what is constructor. In Java, a constructor is a block of codes similar to the method. It is called when an instance of the class is created. Now there are two types of constructors. No-arg constructor and the parameterized constructor. So as we go along with our lessons, you will be able to differentiate these two types of constructors. Now, for the rules for creating Java constructor, first, constructor name must be the same as its class name. Second, a constructor must have no explicit return type. Third, a Java constructor cannot be abstract, static, final, and synchronized. Now, let us have here an example for creating a Java constructor. So let's say I will going to create here constructor 12. Now, let's create a class. So let me just have here um, a comment for creating a default constructor. So let's create a class. So let's say class circle. Right? So the class circle have two methods. The first one is a constructor. The second is another method that will compute for area of circle. So let me type here private double radius. Okay. Now let's create here a constructor. So remember our rules in creating a constructor. A constructor must be as the same name as our class name. So since um, our class name is circle, so our constructor will be circle. Now, let us have the value for our radius. So let's say this is 12.0. Now, let's create here a method. I forgot to have here a semicolon. So let's create here a method. So for our method here, so public double area. So return 3.14. Our formula is multiply by its radius, multiply by its radius. Now, let's create a method that will compute for the area of a circle. So, this is the method that we've created. Okay. Now, for our main program, so public static void main string args. Okay. So let's create an object here. So for you to create an object, so let's type first our class name, which is circle. And then let's say our object here, let's say C3 is equals to new. And then our class name, which is circle. Then system dot print line. So area of circle is so plus. Then let's get our object, which is C3. And then that area. So let's run our program here. Okay. So the area of circle is 314.0. Now, what we did is we created a class name here, circle. Then we created a variable, a private variable here, which is the radius. Then circle here is our constructor. So we assign the radius to 12.0. Now, since we have here a radius, so let's say you need to compute for the radius here is set to private, and in order for you to access it, the constructor circle will be one to assign the value to our radius variable. So I hope you learned something new on how to create a Java constructor. So good luck and God bless us.